Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and thank you for subscribing. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to clear and dark spots on your skin permanently, and with two ingredients which can be found in your kitchen. This treatment is powerful. It will help you get rid of any dark spots on your skin, on your face, wherever. And if you've not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe for more amazing videos, and also turn on that notification bell that pops up after subscribing, so that you can get notified once I upload a new video. So let's jump into this video as I'll be showing you this powerful treatment that can get rid of dark spots permanently. So the first thing is tomatoes has a natural bleaching agent which is very advisable for clearing dark spots, and tomatoes is powerful for getting rid of dark spots permanently. And second is potato, Irish potato. Potato also has a powerful bleaching agent that also helps to get rid of dark spots. So combining potato and tomato are very powerful remedy, for getting rid of dark spots permanently. So I'll grated the potato. So I'll be getting the juice of the potato. So what we need for this treatment is just the juice, and also I grated the potato peels with the potato itself. I didn't peel the potato. All right. So this is the potato juice, and here I have the tomato juice. So you have to extract the juice from the tomato, then mix the potato juice together with the tomato juice, and you have this powerful treatment. So like I already told you, this powerful treatment will help you get rid of any dark spots you have on your skin permanently. All right, so it's just a simple way of getting rid of any dark spot of your skin with just the ingredients you have in your kitchen. You don't need to go spend tons of money to go and start buying things that could get rid of um, spots permanently. But with this you are good to go. Just apply it, keep applying it anywhere you have dark spots on your skin, then wash about after um 20 minutes. Yes, wash after 20 minutes and you will see a difference in your skin. You see your skin, you see the dark spots cleared, all right, and never to come back any longer. So this is how to come up with this powerful treatment. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.